All right, we're going to do a video with all three dogs. You'll see I have 3 leashes right here. And we're going to get all 3 of these dogs to walk together with me around the shop here. And just start kind of laying down some foundations and showing you how to, if you have multiple dogs, you want to walk them together. A lot of people struggle with this if they have multiple dogs, whether it's even 2, getting them to both stay in position, not be jockeying for space, not be pulling, and kind of just starting to learn how to stay in formation a little bit. So I have Bosco, Fitz, and Eleanor, and that's what we're gonna do. And Fitz is really good on the leash. Eleanor is pretty good. Actually, she's almost perfect too. Bosco is another story, but he's going to catch on because I'm going to use a little bit of leash correction and a lot of positive reinforcement with treats when they're giving me slack on the leash. I'm not going to worry too much about them keeping a perfect inline formation with me because it's pretty tight in here and it's not the ideal spot to do that in. There's not a lot of room, so they're going to have to do this kind of stuff quite a bit. But mainly I just don't want them pulling, and I want them keeping up, but also stand at heel. So we'll just do this. Heel. Come on. Nope. Let me shut all this. Gotta shut some doors so we can get some room. This crowd is 3 dogs in here. Good. Good. Come on. Up, up. Good. Down. Good. Heel. Come on. Over here. Good. So if you notice when I'm walking these dogs, I don't even really look at them. I just kind of go by the way the leash is still in my hand. Good. Up. Good. Down. Fitz, down. Okay, heel. Come on, over here. Come on. Good dogs. Good dogs. Come on. Good. Down. Good. Heel. Come on. Come on, Bosco. Nope, come on. down. Very good. Stay. Good. Good dogs. Okay, come on. Over here. Good. Good. Come on. Go, come on. Up. Up, up. Good. Up. Come on. Good. Good dogs. Down. Down. Okay. Up. Up. Good girl, Eleanor. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good. Come on. Heel. Come on. Eleanor, come on. Good girl. Nope. Hey, knock it off. Come on. Down. Good. That wasn't a very good lap, guys. That wasn't very good. Okay. Good dogs. Good dogs. So that last lap we did, pretty sloppy, but I do that every day with them, just to get them working in kind of a, hey, knock it off, leave her alone. Just to kind of get us all on the same page, and it really helps if you can walk them with a bunch of dogs, especially dogs that, I mean, they don't really know each other all that well, so if they'll walk together nicely, then out in public when they meet other dogs that they don't know very well, it's not going to be a crazy, experience to them. And but we'll keep doing this, but I wanted to just do this video to show kind of what I do when, I don't want to have to do every one of them separately all the time. Sometimes it's good to get them all out together and do it all together, and then we'll put them away and do everybody separate too. So, but just thought I'd share that video. It's fun when you can walk a bunch of dogs and they're not a problem. That's probably my favorite thing to do with a bunch of dogs, is just walk them all together in a big pack. All right, toodles.